for now, I guess I have the rest of my life to figure that out.
I can feel it follow